തക്കിയ ഷെരീഫിലെ പ്രൗഢമായ വരവേൽപ്പ്.
Ready. बोल साहब ठंडा मंगा लिया है।
ശീന്ദ്രയിലെ യാസിൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സ്കൂളിൽ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളും നാട്ടുകാരും ചേർന്ന് നൽകിയ ആവേശകരമായ സ്വീകരണം.
तमाम हज़रात से गुजारिश की जाती है, अल्लामा शेख अबू बकर साहब तो तशरीफ ला चुके हैं, लिहाजा तमाम गाँव वालों से अपील की जाती है
പൂഞ്ചിലെ ഉന്നത ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥരും രാഷ്ട്രീയ നേതാക്കളും കലായിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ കാത്തുനിന്നു.
वो हजरत तशरीफ ला चुके हैं। लिहाजा पूरी सिटी के तमाम मशहूर मुसलमानों को गुजारिश की जाती है कि तमाम के तमाम
ജനനായകനെ പൂഞ്ച് സിറ്റിയിലേക്ക് സ്വീകരിച്ചാനയിക്കുന്നു.
लिहाजा तमाम बरादरान इस्लाम से बरादरान मिल्लत से गुजारिश की जाती है कि वो तमाम से तमाम तशरीफ लाकर हजरत का रिसेप्शन करें और हजरत का इस्तिकबाल करें। हजरत
then our guests will arrange our stage. When they come to our stage,
इनका हमें बहुत देर से इंतजार था, तो आप खुश नसीब हैं कि हजरत के चेहरे का इंतजार करेंगे। हम सब खुश नसीब हैं और किसी आदमी का अजूबा लेना ये भी इबादत है। आप उनके जो अल्फाज मुंह से निकले उनको भी समाज कराएं और उनका दीदार। उसके लिए रसूल कौनैन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का इरशाद है कि आलिम का दीदार करना ये भी एक इबादत है। आप दीदार किए है
all our students, please give warm welcome of our respected guests. The inauguration, that is, please all people take the inauguration. Sir, I respect our great chief guest. We invite you to inaugurate our newly constructed block of the ground room in this school. Yes, sir. Very welcome for the program.
Please, sir. थोड़ा साइड
Please. Our Chief Vice Chancellor of Madrasah Islamic Senior, Syed Abu Bakr Ahmad, who is leading with a serving the people. Let's just please, you be the moderator.
Shadi ma'am, please come here.
Chief guest, Syed Abu Bakr Ahmad, was right here in the district of Polish, getting a lot of chance. So we have that much thanks for you for reaching the program. All our people, those who are standing here at the stage, please move and sit in your place. One your attention, please make them sit. All the people standing in front of us, please make them sit.
स्टार्ट करें।
Dear students of Azawul English School and other people, our program. Now we have a program, all our respected guests tonight for this grand function. Our first program, I invite Mr. Muhammad Arif Qadri to recite Quran.
الرحمن علم القرآن
له البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد.
Actually, we people of Poonch, we are very happy and we never thought of it. This is a God grace we are witnessing now. And again, I thank for the coming and arrival of Mr. Jahangir Mir, who is the MLC. And we are very happy to see you, sir, because you, the person, came even before the program and waited our Vice Chancellor. We see your simplicity, sir. Thank you, sir, very much. And we have many dignitaries and guests. So, in a word, we say thank for each and every person. So before I enter, my duty is to welcome all of this program. So, I welcome Sheikh Abu Bakr bin Ahmad for this grand program. Sir, kindly accept this most welcome for this auspicious program. And again, I welcome great leader, Mr. MLC, Mr. Jahangir Mir. Sir, kindly accept our welcome for this Razaul Uloom English Schools, this auspicious function. And again, I welcome with the absence and as well as with the presence of different dignitaries we are expected. I welcome Sayyid Hazrat Muhammad Arif Bareli Sahab and again I welcome Dua Sahib and Rathanlal Balham Bilal Khan Sahab and Shahbaz Mirza Sahab. We welcome and Salim Malik, who is the person in front of us sitting, and he is the great man. Whenever he heard the news of arrival of Sheikh Abu Bakr bin Ahmad over here, he was a restless man. He was behind the curtain. He was working for this. Sir, we are cordially welcome for this. We appreciate all what you have done, and we cordially welcome for this grand program. And again, we cordially welcome Basant Kumar, CSP, and again Fahim Bhatt. Moreover, Premjit Singh, CEO, and again, I welcome the great man who is behind the curtain, Shah Muhammad Tantri. There is no words to welcome him because whenever we sit over here, we can see all the functions, everything behind. That is the man who is Shah Muhammad Shah Sahab, who has done very much for this. He is a person of lovers, poor. We know that. So thank you, sir, and we most welcome for all this, and we welcome for our students of Razaul Uloom English School, and most welcome the people and gatherings, and different caste and creeds, and different community, those who are watching, and we are most welcome, and please come to nearby the stage and make this program a grand function. Moreover, I welcome the principal of this institution, Dr. Shaukat Bukhari. And again, one more guest we have got. That is a great pleasure to tell you that one more chief guest, another guest accompanied with Mr. Sheikh Abu Bakr, who is Muhammad Kutifaizi, who is from Kerala. And sir, thank you very much. You are this arrival and most welcome for this great grand program. So, before I conclude my talk, I want to brief information. I would like to give a brief information about Razaul Uloom English School and the place, the Poonch and Jammu and Kashmir. So, this is Razaul Uloom School, which is started early. Now, the history of Razaul Uloom School is a great and this is a vast. But after a long period, the place that we can get only the idea after saying the idea about the Poonch and Jammu and Kashmir. Before I saying about the different things about the Poonch and about Razaul Ulum School, that I want to tell to Sheikh Abu Bakr Sahib to understand what the people and what is the institution, what is the life, everything. I want to make him understand the situation for the development of Poonch. But before I say that, I want to give you a brief information about Sheikh Abu Bakr bin Ahmad in Kerala, who came from Kerala. Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad, he is a great personality that we know without words is a world leader. See, in anyhow that I want to invite your attention to Kerala for a meanwhile. See, the Kerala that we can see only minority people. The Muslims are minority people, but so many guests they arrived our stage. We all welcome you, sir. Okay, so I want to express some idea about Kerala and Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad. So Kerala, we are only very minority people. Muslims are very minority, but still, you know, what is the situation there? They are highly educated, and we reached in a higher position in social and cultural activities. What is the history behind this? The history of Kerala, this goes to the story goes to up to the Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The next great program is overlapping the court to Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad, Vice Chancellor of Markaz Saqafati Sunniya, by Mr. Salim Malik, who is Assistant Commissioner of Development ACD, Chairman of Waqf Islamiyya, who is, please kindly take where this court with our Kashmiris humble and simple and warm welcome. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah wallahu akbar.
नहायत ही काबिल एहतराम शेख अबू बकर साहब, उनके साथ आए हुए मेहमान, यहाँ पे आए हुए मेरे फौज के सीओ साहब, एडिशनल डिप्टी कमिश्नर सलीम साहब, शौकत साहब, प्रिंसिपल रज़ाउल उलूम, इल्म व अक्ल की कंदीलों से जहालत व ज़हनी पसमानदगी दूर करने वाले साज़ा इकराम, पुंछ नवासियों, मेरी बहनों और बच्चियों और अज़ीज़ तलबा, ये जो फंक्शन आज यहाँ पर हम मना रहे हैं, इसमें जब शौकत साहब ने मेरे से बात की थी तो मैंने ये कहा था कि मैं आज खादम आपके पास ज़रूर आऊँगा, चाहे जितनी भी बज़दी मुश्किलात हो। अगर अल्लाह का करम हुआ और अल्लाह ने चाहा तो मैं आपकी इस महफिल से ज़रूर फैज़याब होऊंगा। मेरा हर वक्त ये मानना है कि जब तक रिलीजियस हेड हमारे स्ट्रांग नहीं होंगे, वो सही अपने मज़हब को बयान नहीं कर पाएंगे, तब तक इस मुल्क में